अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड ईद उल अधा मुबारक। और आपको क्या लगता है कि हम बकरा क्यों काटते हैं? बकरीद और ईद उल अधा is celebrated to honor the absolute devotion of the Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam to Allah, who tested his faith by commanding him to sacrifice his dearest possession, and for him his dearest possession was his son Ismail alayhi salam. Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam experienced recurring dreams, sapne aa rahe the, in which Allah commanded him to sacrifice his beloved possession. So it was Ismail alayhi salam, and when Ibrahim alayhi salam shared the dream with Ismail alayhi salam, both showed complete obedience to Allah's will. Now Ismail alayhi salam willingly asked his father to fulfill the divine command, as Ibrahim alayhi salam blindfolded himself and drew the blade. Allah intervened. Now, recognizing Ibrahim alayhi salam's total submission, Allah replaced Ismail alayhi salam with a male sheep from heaven. This tradition of sacrificing an animal, जो हम कुर्बानी या उद्यान बोलते हैं, is the ultimate act of this submission. That's why we get attached with the goat or with the sheep, and then we do the qurbani. The meat is divided into 3 equal parts, one for the family, one for the relative and friends, and one for the poor and needy. The main festival or the main highlight of this festival is to give and receive. Now, why do you think that हम हज experience करते हैं या हम हज में जाते हैं? Ibrahim alayhi salam and Ismail alayhi salam built the Kaaba together as the first house of monotheistic worship on earth. Now there are Safa and Marwa mountains. Pilgrims run between these two hills to reenact the desperate search for water by Ibrahim alayhi salam's wife Hajar for her infant son Ismail alayhi salam, which miraculously resulted in the Zamzam well. Pilgrims threw pebbles at 3 stone pillars to symbolize Ibrahim's driving away the devil who tried to tempt him into disobeying Allah's command to sacrifice his son. On the 10th day of Dhul Hijjah, pilgrims complete their major rituals and perform the animal sacrifice, and that's why we Muslims worldwide join them on this exact day to celebrate Eid al-Adha, uniting the global community in the synchronized act of devotion. And इसलिए हम इस टाइम पे हज जाते हैं, and हज के बाद हमारा ईद अल-अधा आता है, जहाँ पे we have to sacrifice goat or sheep in the name of Allah because it shows our devotion. Eid Mubarak.